Deputy Chief Minister in charge PWD Roads, Preston Tinsong, reviewed the implementation of the Pradhan Mantri Gram Sadak Yojana Pmgsy Phase 1, 2 and 3 in the state. Talking to media persons, Tinsong informed that not less than rupees 10,000 crore has been spent by the government on road connectivity during the past 6 years. The Deputy Chief Minister said that the government has already directed the need to complete the implementation of the Pmgsy 1 and Pmgsy 2 within March 31st, 2024. According to him, as per the last census, about 250 to 300 villages are still not connected by road network.
This NABARD scheme and all, we are catching up to reach up to the zero level for road connectivity, and that is the mission of the government from 2018 till today. I think the investment we made as far as road connectivity is concerned is not less than 10,000 crores. We introduced one more mission, and that is CM connectivity.